Welcome to the fascinating world of Igbo mythology, where the lines between reality and the spiritual realm are blurred. Today, we're going to explore one of the most intriguing concepts in Igbo culture, Ogbanje. Let's dive into the mystery. In an Igbo mythology, Ogbanje refers to a child who is believed to be a reincarnated spirit. The term Ogbanje literally means one who comes and goes or one who returns. These children are believed to possess supernatural powers and are often associated with mysterious events, illnesses, or deaths. The belief is that an Ogbanje child is born, dies, and is then reborn repeatedly, causing grief and suffering to the family. Traditional healers, known as dibia, perform rituals to identify and break the cycle of the Ogbanje. These rituals often involve finding and destroying the child's Iuwa, a physical object that binds the spirit to the mortal world. Ogbanje are believed to have a strong connection to the spirit world and are often associated with ancestral spirits, gods, or goddesses. They may exhibit mysterious behavior, such as unexplained illnesses, strange markings on the body, or an unusual appearance. In Igbo culture, Ogbanje are often treated with a mix of reverence and fear. Their families may seek the help of traditional healers or spiritual leaders to manage their supernatural powers. Rituals and ceremonies may be performed to help the child balance their spiritual and physical worlds. These rituals can include offerings, prayers, and sometimes even elaborate ceremonies involving the entire community. The goal is to ensure the Ogbanje child can live a harmonious life, free from the disruptive influence of their spiritual nature. This process is deeply rooted in the cultural and spiritual beliefs of the Igbo people. The concept of Ogbanje is a fascinating aspect of Igbo mythology and culture. These mystical beings, often seen as both a blessing and a curse, have intrigued generations. While it may seem mysterious or even intimidating, it's essential to remember that Ogbanje are still children who deserve love, care, and understanding. Their stories teach us about resilience, the human spirit, and the complexities of life and death. By exploring these tales, we gain a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of Igbo traditions and beliefs. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of Ogbanje. We hope you found it as captivating as we did.